Hey, Dana here, and with my blog, and this is Amped Up. I've been working for this company for going on 15 years now. I've been driving a forklift for 12. I've never had a major accident or an accident to a point where I had to give up my license to take a alcohol analyzer test and a urine test. Well, that happened today. And of course, I'm involved with hemp. That's what this is all about. And I'm with HempWorks brand. I've been using the gummy bears, and I've been using the this is cinnamon full spectrum. It's still under the 003 THC requirement, and I've been using the 0 THC. So the other day I was using the full spectrum cinnamon because it burns my mouth on my arm because I've got tennis elbow and it's been driving me nuts. So I rubbed that in, and this has got under the 003 requirement by law. And I've taken the 0 THC almost on a regular basis. I did have an interlude between days with this, probably maybe a week. Maybe a week I haven't been on it. But in that week, I was using this on my arm. So right now, 24 hours, and they'll get the results back. So we will find out. The company is on zero tolerance for THC. So I'm riding on those results, whether I get fired or not. So I have faith that under the 003, it's not going to show up. But we will find out. This could be a very one of my expensive situations here, because the 0 tolerance is in effect for my company, and we will find out if this was on my arm. I didn't take it orally, but it still goes into your system. I don't know to what extent, but the zero THC shouldn't have an issue with. So if you want to take the and then the gummies, on the other hand, I haven't stopped. Ran out about month ago. So these are the infusions. I don't know how much. Okay. These gummies use a broad spectrum hemp oil, which contains 0 THC. So the gummies have got no THC in them at all. So that shouldn't be an issue. My only concern is this is under the .003 THC level, and I used it on my arm. I used it on my arm twice. 2 doppers, 2 different days. But so we will let you know what this result is. Whether I end my employment with my current company that I've been with for going on 15 years, just because of hemp and being under 0.003 THC. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next Hemped Up. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, Hemped Up. And this is the continuation and the results of my accident where I work after having to take a alcohol test and then a drug urine check test, and it came back negative. So that's telling me that the dosages that I'm using of CBD gummies have got 0. They're crystalline, so there's 0 THC in it. I've been using the 500 milligram of 0 THC, but sometimes I use the full spectrum hemp, and that is supposed to be under the national or federal level of 0.003 THC. So as far as I'm concerned, in my case, I can't guarantee it to everybody, but in my case, me using what I normally use came up 0 under a company drug test. So there's no telling, and then again, there's no telling what the company's looking for, because it's going to tell the company that's doing the testing what to look for. So THC level might be there, but it's under what the company considers a issue. You know, I'm sure they're looking for cocaine. I'm looking for barbiturates. I'm sure they're looking for all kinds of stuff. And I'm sure there's a level when they're doing the drug testing. So if anybody knows how they do drug testing, please let me know. I just know that mine came back negative, and I used the full spectrum. In this case, I've been using the 500. I haven't been using the 750 or the 1000. So, and then I've been using, of course, what they consider 0 THC. So, and that's this company, okay? That's HempWorks. I don't know what the other companies that are producing it, what their testing is as far as their levels and what they're using for hemp qualities and stuff like that. So, but I can, in my own case, I can say that what I use through the HempWorks is under the company's radar, but I can't guarantee it is for you. All I can, you have to take it at your own risk. I consider myself a hemper, and it does what it needs to do for me. The other stuff that I use, I'm out right now, is the hemp cream, and I've still got a bad feeling in my right arm, basically under what's considered the tennis elbow. I don't know if I've got a big inflammation of arthritis kicking in there now or not. But anyway, that cream definitely keeps it under control. All right, we'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next. Hemped Up.